friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking mushrooms in the Instant Pot. For this recipe, all we need is mushrooms and water for pressure cooking. And once they cook in the Instant Pot, then you can season them with seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So let's start off by slicing mushrooms and putting them in an Instant Pot. So I'm going to open the Instant Pot and slice the mushrooms and then put them straight into the inner part of the Instant Pot. So now all the mushrooms are in the Instant Pot, and let's add 1 cup of water. And now I will close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 6 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been fully released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the Instant Pot. And here are perfectly cooked mushrooms. So now let's remove the mushrooms from the Instant Pot onto a plate. Look at these delicious mushrooms, perfectly cooked. They look so good. And now it's time to season them with the seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil. You also can use butter. So just drizzle a little bit of oil and sprinkle the salt, pepper, garlic powder. And you can mix them to evenly distribute the seasonings. Looks so delicious. I'm so excited about trying these mushrooms. Look at these yummy mushrooms. Now let's try it. Perfectly cooked mushrooms, so tender and so delicious. And there's so many uses for them. You can use it as a topping on burgers and sandwiches. You can use it as a meatless main dish over rice. You can mix it into pasta. You can use it as a side dish. Basically, these are great, healthy, tasty, delicious, so easy to make in an Instant Pot. For a free printable recipe and other very easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!